Hey everybody, it's Nathan from the Oregon Brew Running Series. Welcome to the May Challenge. This is the May Challenge shirt. Hope you like it. Real quickly, I wanted to show you how to submit your miles through our cool Strava integration and our website. So if you've already done this, you probably don't have to watch this, but maybe you'll learn something. I'll show you something. If you haven't done this, like 20 or 30 of you haven't, so maybe it will be helpful. So first things first, go to the link I sent in the email, and it's brewerunningseries.com/Oregon dash May dash challenge. It should look like this. Ignore that other stuff back there. And then when you get here, depending on how your screen is sized, you might see the stuff under results. Otherwise, if you don't see it, you can scroll down or hit submit miles. And the very first time that you do this, you are going to have to enter your state, which should default to Oregon, and your goal. So let me show you what this looks like. So you're going to connect with Strava. All you do is click this button, and it's going to come in here and ask you to authorize. And basically what this means is you give us, the Oregon Brew Running Series, permission to access your Strava data. And if you're not already logged into Strava, it's going to ask you to log into Strava, which should just be a quick click of a button. I'm already authorized or logged in, so then I just click authorize, and it should take me directly back to our page, and look at that, there I am. So it's kind of obvious here what is going on. Here's my progress. Here's my total miles run, hours run, average pace, longest run, etc. I've gotten some feedback from people who have said this isn't right. I know that I've run more than that, and it could be a couple things. So one of the things, maybe you didn't actually sync with Strava like you thought you did. I've made that mistake before. And there's also just simply sometimes, I don't know, errors happen. If you're off, you can always go into your Strava account, and again, this is on your honor system, and just do a manual add. So let's say your last 4-mile run didn't get added, just go in there and manually add that. If it shows up later, we can just kind of figure that out at the end. This is all on your honor system type of a thing. So hopefully that makes sense. The other kind of quick thing about this screen I wanted to show you is this gear icon. So if, like Cheryl here, you were at 94% of your goal on the 13th of May, I don't know, Cheryl, you might want to change your goal. So we can click on this little gear icon. You can change your goal here. Please don't change your state. That'll completely throw everything off. And actually, you can't even click on it. Thank goodness. I'm going to leave mine at 100. So just hit submit. Nothing changes. And you can see the fun thing about this is that it defaults. So here I'm talking about the leaderboard now. So there's a search button here. These large red circles, you can see kind of global information about our little group. Down at the very bottom, you can see there's 88 people who have, there's quite a few more than that in the challenge, but only 88 of you have made it to this screen, which is partially why I'm making this video. But it's cool, it defaults to sort by goal progress. So as you can see here, Cheryl's leading, followed by Ben, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And some of these people might want to change their goal. Today is, like I said, the 13th of May, which is not quite 50%. Quick math tells me it's about 40% of the way. And so again, you can kind of use that information to see if you want to adjust it or not. You can also go in and check and see, okay, let's look at everybody's goals. Wow, Scotty, who's one of the developers, that's a pretty aggressive goal. He's already run 100, so who knows? Maybe he'll get there. You just kind of click on these like most sorting kind of spreadsheet type things. The other fun thing about this is that you can click on, and I'll do it for mine here, you can click on a person's name if you're like, oh, who's this person? And it'll take you directly to their public Strava profile page. So this is all public information. This is, you've already told the world told Strava and the world that you want this to be made public. So this isn't anything private that we're sharing here. But that's just kind of fun if you want to be like, oh, who's this person? I seem to be running similar to them, however you want to do it. So, and then obviously you can click on here to scroll over, because rather than having a great big long page of info. So that's pretty much it. So this link here at the top, and then if you click learn more on this page, it just takes you, past our Instagram feed, to just a whole bunch of information about the challenge, about the nonprofit we're working with, a little bit about us, et cetera, et cetera. If you would like to contact us, you can either send me an email, Nathan at breweryrunningseries.com, or this lovely form right here. You can submit right there. So thank you so much. We're really excited about this challenge. Join us on Saturdays at noon for a happy hour. This Saturday, well, we have a bunch of people lined up. It's going to be outdated as soon as I tell you who it is, but we have a lot of fun stuff. So until next time, be active, have fun, and give back.